Hello guys, how's it going? I hope everything is well. So in this video we are going to talk about class 10th physics chapter number 8 chemical bonding. Okay, now so we are going to see the all the important question with the answer, and this is especially for the board exam of the Telangana state board and Andhra state board. Okay, now so Andhra and Telangana student, they can watch by the recommendation of the video. Okay, now they can watch. Okay, right. So we are going, let me take our introduction here. Actually in this we are going to see the 1 mark question, 2 mark question, 4 mark question. Okay, so let's start. So first of all we are going to start from 1 mark question. Okay, so you can see that one. So I am going so fast here because if I make slowly video, then this video is going to be something longer, like 10 minutes and 12 minutes also. So but I will try to cover this video in the below 6 minutes, or till 6 and 7 minutes I will try to cover this video. So make sure that here. Okay, now if I go fast, then you just decrease the speed of a video. Okay, now you go to the icon and you can click there and you can decrease the speed of a video. Okay, right. So if it is clear for you, then let's see that here. Okay, so all time I just give you direction to you what you have to do. Well, is it clear? Right. Okay, and then question number 17 you can see, 18 and 19. Till here you can see, right? Well, so is it clear? So question number 22 you can also see, when you live in the city, so that you can see sometimes all the people, they are just pet dog, so they have a pet dog and sometimes it's shouting, so I cannot do anything. So that's the one type of problem, we cannot handle that type of problem. Okay, now so let it be, maybe we cannot do anything. All right, so is it clear? Right. Sometimes they get aggressive by the city, when you live in the city and you get lots of those sound pollution. This is a very compulsory, I don't like it. But when I moved to the village, actually there is a network issue, but it is okay, but you have to move in there also. But is it okay? Night time I think I will make the video, but night time same problem. You can listen to the truck sound mostly. Okay, truck sound and metro train sound. Otherwise in railway that's train horn, train sound we can be see. We cannot see, we can listen that one. Right. Okay, so till here I hope is it clear. So then see that here. Okay, then here, then you can see here, right? So then question number 50, and he is correct something, then you can see that one. Okay, so 1 mark completed here, so 2 mark is starting from here. So let's see that one. Sigma bond and pi bond, this is important. Okay, now question number 3, question number 4 you can see, and question number 5 here, electric pairs and shape of the molecules. Then after question number 6 you can see. Okay, na? Then question number 7 you can see, and that's the answer of that one. Then question number 9 and 10. Okay, question number 11, and that's the answer of that one. Then here you can go. Okay, then you can see that one. Then 4 mark question you can also see. Then question number 2, and that's the answer of that one. And then here you can see. Okay, na? Right, is it clear? So here you can also see, then here you can see, and here you can also see, right? Then question number 6, what are the important characters features of the hydroxychloride? Question number 7, then that's one. Then question number 8, then here, then question number 9. All right. Okay, ionic bond and covalent bond. Okay na? Is it clear? So do you know? So do you know is important also according to me. So you have to see that one. So what is it and how it is formed? So you have to see it, because it will not they will not ask you this type of question, but in the long question, okay na, in the like 4-mark question or 7-mark question, definitely they will ask you one type of question from that side. But I'm not sure that they will ask you from this chapter only, but they will ask. Okay na? All right. So well, actually whatever in this, everything is clear here. I hope whatever question answer, not a question answer, it's an important question answer is clear here. And if you're looking for the all other subjects, so you can check out from the description. Otherwise just go to our channel, click on the playlist, and you can go there all the playlists of the Telangana schedule also and Andhra schedule also. So according to the recommendation, you can go and watch. Okay, right. So I hope is it going to be very helpful for you, and best of luck for your examination. Right, bell, and we will meet your next class. Okay now. So how has it helped you in 10th class? Definitely I will help you in like the same in the 11th class also. So keep it learning here, and good boy, then not a good boy, it's a goodbye, and not a goodbye, is it also some different, right? So it doesn't matter nothing, but we will meet in your next classes, and best of luck for examination. Right bell has is possible for you, and get a good marks and do something for your state, society, and your nation, and for your career, right? So best of luck, we will meet another video. Jai Hind.